Work slowly with a soft brush, building darkness or light gradually across multiple passes. Concentrate burns along shadows, eye sockets, under chins, sides of faces, to enhance dimensionality. Apply dodges to high points, foreheads, cheekbones, shoulders for natural illumination. This technique requires zero commitment because you're working on a separate layer. Revert opacity or delete sections without affecting your original pixels. Portrait retouchers spend hours with this technique, sculpting faces with light and shadow. The 50% gray foundation prevents oversaturation of blacks or whites. Lower opacity settings around 30 to 40% prove gentler than full intensity burning and dodging.